Okay, this is a short video explaining maintenance. We're going to use a white lithium grease. It's just an all-purpose lubricant. This is on our door locks. This is a standard procedure. You should do it at least once a year. So we're going to run the hooks out. You see the hooks that come out with the deadbolt. Okay. So we need obviously our grease, our lithium grease, and I recommend these little chip brushes. I'd recommend just buying a pack of these off Amazon, somewhere like that. They're real cheap. And you use these. You can use these to clean the soiling, the dust and things off the hinges. And we recommend this once a year. Okay. Then we're going to put the grease on a clean brush after you've got the soiling removed. You put a little bit of that on there and you're just going to brush those. Okay. Like so on both sides. You don't need an excessive amount. Work it down in there. Okay. Do that to both of them, top, bottom. You may even want to do a little bit on the deadbolt here. It doesn't take much. You're going to work those back in. And now at this point you can actually clean off the excess with a clean rag. Okay. Okay, once a year, that should be done. The hinges on our doors require no lubrication. So on the entry doors, this is the only thing that needs to be lubricated, are these hook points and the deadbolt. The latch needs no lubrication either. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to explain how to clean and grease your tilt-turn window fittings. And we have a couple chip brushes you'll need, one clean one to clean the soiling off, rags, and white lithium grease that you can find in an auto parts store or at your local hardware store. Okay, so we'll open the window, and this is a new window here in our factory. You'll notice there is some white grease on these fittings already. Here's a little bit that's kind of rubbed off on the top of the window. So this is applied in the factory from the hardware manufacturer. You can see more over here on this one. You see the white grease. Okay. And we'll put in a PDF file or some images and this video from the manufacturer on some better explanations on where to grease. Okay. Basically, all these cams here, you'll want to clean the soiling off. You know, especially after the construction, there will be a lot of soiling from drywall dust and different kind of debris can accumulate in this area. Those need to be cleaned really well. Also, the hinge area and the bottom hinge is an area where lots of dust likes to collect. And if you're if this is like a balcony door where we use our window hinges on lower use balcony doors, and you're in a sandy environment, we want to make sure to clean those hinges regularly to remove that sand. That sand is grit and extremely hard on these moving parts. Okay, so you'll want to pay extra attention to those types of applications. When you're cleaning, you want to make sure you clean those well and lubricate them. So here we'll have our chip brush, our lithium grease, and we're going to apply the grease to all of these, a little bit to these cams. Okay, the base of the cam where they slide in that mechanism. Okay, so everything stays lubricated. And then we're also going to take a little bit of grease and apply it to the face of that, or that keep on both sides here. Okay, so as that cam rolls in there, it'll pick up some of that grease. Okay, so we'll do that to all the frame keeps. And then the window hinge, the top and bottom hinges are really important to lubricate. And this should be done once a year. Obviously this needs to be clean. Okay, so you'll want to clean that up with another brush or rag. Okay, And this is all you need to do here, and then we'll do the top. Up underneath the hinge arm here, anywhere the metal is rubbing together, you want to have a little bit of grease on there. And if you have excess you need to get wiped off, you take your rag and you can wipe that off. Okay. This tilt keep mechanism here, work the grease underneath. This should be done once a year, like I said, so that these work really well, smooth, they stay smooth. Okay, that's what we have.